Very big loss of Cardano, my friend, is absolutely coming soon now, and definitely the current condition is also very critical. So what we will need to do, what's our price prediction, and what's the technical analysis, everything I'm going to discuss, and especially for all holders, I have something very special update now. My brothers, Cardano price is decreasing totally from last 7 days. You can see here minus 18.46%. The Cardano price will decrease now. So what happening in upcoming time if they were fails down like that? Definitely the price will fails down from 3 USD dollar to 2.43 USD dollar. It's a very big fails, my friends, but don't worry, my brother. Absolutely, after fails, definitely they will take a very huge jump and recover all the lost. So today, my friends, I will do a prediction. So definitely we will completely understand after that. To really there is a chance to they will get off and they will moving upward or not. They will fails down. So let's get started the live price prediction. But kindly, if you are new my channel, now you will need to subscribe this channel. If you want to earn money in a crypto, definitely subscribe this channel. All right, my brother. Absolutely, in last 1 month they will completely on the profit. So therefore, the holders are very loving this coin, and absolutely, Cardano is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. People are investing very highly. People are holding, and people are investing for a long time. But especially when short-time investors starting selling, so the coin will completely dumps down. But for a short time, not for long time. Otherwise, Cardano is stable coin, my brothers. Definitely, they will completely every month they will give you a profit. So if you are investing in Cardano, don't worry, my brothers. They will give you a profit absolutely, but sometimes they will give you very less profit. Sometimes they will give you very high profit now. So this time, my brother, as you can see here, the direction is moving in upward direction. In the last time, as you can see here, the last arrow completely moving in upward. So what happening? Absolutely, you could see here after fails they will take a jump. So that's clear. To after a fail, this bad fails they will take a very huge jump now. So my prediction is totally going to be positive now. I hope in upcoming time they will give you a profit. Kindly, if you want to get a profit, you will need to hold for the end of this month. In the start of month, every corner fails down, so therefore don't worry. I hope at the end of month they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.